finish our meeting before time because we have some meeting there, urgent meeting in the school. So we will start the lesson and the children will automatically join our meeting, right? So yesterday we were discussing some questions. Am I audible? Can I hear me clearly? Children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. Just today we will discuss some question, yesterday's question, and see the next part. Okay, so we were discussing this question yesterday. See what kind of person was Mrs. Loisel? Why was she unhappy? We have seen that she was very dissatisfied woman. She was beautiful. That's why she thought that it was her right, adhikar hai uska, to get married to a rich person. She wanted to get married to a person who is very rich so that she can enjoy the luxury of life. She was totally unsatisfied, dissatisfied woman. Next question was, what kind of a person is her husband? You had told me that he was very loving and caring. He was, though he earned very little because he was clerk, he was satisfied man. He loved his wife very much, and that's why he always tried to give her whatever she wanted. So you can say that he was very loving and kind man with a satisfied with his lot, fate, F-A-T-E. Next question was, what did Matilda's husband bring home one evening? He brought home an invitation from the Minister of Education. The invitation was for him and his wife to attend a ball. B-A-L-L. Ball means group dance. Why was he so happy? He was happy because he knew that his wife always wanted to attend such parties. She wanted to have friendship with the rich people. She wanted to have, she wanted to enjoy the kind of life which the rich people enjoy. And that's why he thought that she would become very happy once she know that he has got this invitation. So that was why he was very happy. Next question was, how did Matilda react when Loisel brought her an invitation to a ball? On the contrary, जैसे कि वो सोच रहा था husband, she became very sad. Actually, she wanted to join the ball, but she told him that she would not join, she could not join. That's why, because she did not have a nice dress, party dress to wear. That's why what did she do? She threw away the invitation on the table. Next question was, what was Loisel's reaction to Matilda's desire for a new dress? How much did the costume cost? When Matilda told him that she did not have the dress, first of all, her husband suggested her to wear natural flowers. But when she denied, she said no, she refused. Then he became very sad and hesitatingly means thoda डरते he asked how much would it cost to buy a new dress, and she told him that it would cost 400 francs. And then he decided to give that amount to her, which he had saved to buy a gun. Why he wanted to buy a gun? Because his friends, they used to go for a hunting larks hunting करने के लिए जाते थे, और वो चाहता था कि he also would go on one summer day with his friend for the hunting of the larks. So we had seen this much, and then he got her a beautiful dress. Then again she was not satisfied, and this is said, she told him that when the day of the ball came near, and she again was very sad. And then when he asked the reason, then she told him that I don't have a jewel or a necklace to wear for the party. these two examples shows that, see, whatever you provide her, that Mr. Matilda was not satisfied. Her demands was new. Every day she used to ask something else. पार्टी के लिए, पार्टी की बात कर रहे हैं हम. So that day he suggested, Mr. Loisel suggested her, so now it is not possible to buy the necklace because necklace is very costly. So you better go to your friend. And he suggested her to go to your friend, Mrs. Forrester, Madam Forrester, and you can buy a necklace. And she liked the idea, and then she decided to go to her friend's house to borrow, B-O-R-R-O-W, borrow मतलब उधार लेने के लिए. Then next what happened? Let's see here. Here we will see the next day. The next day she took herself to her friend's house. She took herself means she went to her friend's house and related her story of distress. Related means narrated. Narrated means told her story of distress. Distress means sadness. अपनी दुख भरी कहानी उसको बताई अपने friend को. You can see here, her friend is very rich. You can see the furniture she is having, which shows that she belongs to a very rich family. Madame Forrester went to the closest. Closest is a private room. Closest means a private room where she had her what you call cupboard, where she had kept her jewelry. So she went to her closest separate room, private room, took out a large jewel case. Jewel case means box. She took out the box which contained jewelry, brought it, उसको लेकर आई वहां से रूम से, and opened it in front of Matilda and said, कहती है, choose my dear, you choose whichever diamond, whichever jewel, whichever necklace you want. She saw at first some bracelets. Now what did she do, Matilda? She saw some bracelets. Bracelets means bangles. Bangles देखे उसने. Then a collar of pearl. Pearls की जो collar होती है, collar मतलब एक हार होता है. She saw a collar of pearls. Pearl से बना हुआ. Collar means एक necklace. Then a Venetian cross. Cross में जो Christian religion का जो cross होता है, that was made from Venetian cross of gold. It was made from gold and jewels of admirable workmanship. Admirable means praiseworthy. Praiseworthy very beautiful, जिसका हम प्रशंसा कर सकते हैं. Workmanship का मतलब कारागिरी से बना हुआ. Beautifully made. Beautifully made. So these things she saw first in the box. First of all, she saw some bracelet, bangles. Then she saw a collar, a necklace of pearls. Then a cross which was made from gold and jewels, and which was made by a beautifully craftsmanship. Workmanship means craftsmanship, कुशलता से बनाया हुआ. Then she tried the jewels. हीरे देखे उसने. Tried the jewels before the glass. Glass means mirror. She tried the jewels before the glass. Then she hesitated. Hesitated means she wanted to say something, but she was hesitating. थोड़ी संकोच कर रही थी. But could neither decide to take them nor leave them. She was not actually. She was in confused state of mind. Confused थी whether to select any of the necklace which was shown to her or deny it, leave it, छोड़ दे उसको. फुल्ली उसको पसंद भी नहीं थे सभी चीजें, और वो मना भी नहीं कर पा रही थी. So she was hesitating. She could not decide which one to take because she did not like 100% any of the jewels. 100% कोई पसंद नहीं आ रहा था. Then she asked, उसने पूछते हैं, have you nothing more? Do you have nothing? Do you have something else? इससे कुछ अलग है क्या? Have you nothing more? Why? Yes, look for yourself. देखो ना, इसमें ही बहुत सारे हैं. Look for yourself. I do not know what will please you. What will please you? I don't know which diamond, which necklace, which bracelet, which collar will please you. You will like. Please you means you will like. So it is better you select yourself. You see yourself. Then suddenly, उसमें देखो आप. Suddenly she found in a black satin box, what? A superb necklace, very beautiful necklace of diamond से बना हुआ. She found one necklace. Her hands trembled. Trembled means shaken. She thought that it is very costly. And when she was looking at that diamond's necklace, her hands started trembling. As she took it out, जैसे उसने बाहर निकाला, she placed it about her throat. She tried it around her throat. Throat means गले में उसने पहना. She placed means she put it around her throat against her dress. Against her means she was wearing a beautiful dress, and she just matched it. She was trying to match it. देख रही थी कि match हो रहा है क्या नहीं. And she was ecstatic. Ecstatic means very, very happy. Extremely happy. She became very happy. She found that this dress is matching. This necklace is matching her dress. It was a perfect dress for her. Then she asked in a hesitating voice. Hesitating में थोड़ा अड़कड़ते हुए, थोड़ा संकोच करते हुए, डरते हुए उसने पूछा अपनी फ्रेंड को. She was full of anxiety. Anxiety का अर्थ होता है worried. चिंता से उसने पूछा, क्योंकि उसको डर लग रहा था whether her friend will give this necklace to her or not, because she thought that it is very costly. बहुत महंगा है, देगी कि नहीं, इसको थोड़ा डर लग रहा था. तो उसने पूछा, could you lend me this? Could you lend? Lend means to give, उधार देना. और lend का अपोजिट होता है BORROW, borrow मतलब उधार लेना. तो उसने पूछा, could you lend me this? आप मुझे दे सकती हो? Only this, सिर्फ यही चाहिए मुझे. और what was the reply of her friend? Why? Yes, certainly, you take. No problem. You can wear and you can take. You can go home with this necklace. And she happily gave it. आराम से दे दिया, खुशी खुशी. Then she fell upon the neck of her friend. When her friend said, yes, you can take this necklace. And what was the reaction of Matilda? Matilda का reaction क्या हो गया? She became very happy and she fell upon मतलब अपना उसको गले लगाया. Of neck of her friend, गले में गिर गई. Embraced her face. Embrace means उसको hug किया, आलिंगन दिया to her friend. Embrace her with passion. Passion का अर्थ है with a strong feeling. Strong feeling के साथ उसने उसको गले लगाया अपने friend को. Then went away with her treasure. TREASUR. Treasure means उसका जो उसने diamond necklace दिया था, उसके साथ she went to her home. Okay. Now next slide we will see. हमने देखा अभी उसको necklace मिल गया. Then what happened next? Okay बेटा, सभी को आवाज आ रही है ना? रेवत आवाज आ रही बेटा?
Yes sir.
Okay बेटा.
हाँ sir.
Okay हाँ. Then the day of the ball arrived. The day of the ball. Ball means dance. जो functions था Minister of Education के, उसका वो दिन आया. And Madam Loisel was a great success. She attended that meeting. You see here in the picture. यहाँ पर एक मिनट. Just wait. You can see this is the picture of the ball, and she was looking the most beautiful lady in the entire among all the people who were present there. She was the most beautiful of all the ladies in the party. So day of the ball came, and that's why Mrs. Loisel was a great success. सबसे सुंदर वही दिख रही थी. She was the prettiest of all, prettiest, most beautiful of all the ladies. How was she? Elegant. Elegant means very, उसको कहेंगे हम very delicate, very what you call नजाकत वाली, है ना? Very beautiful. And then gracious. Gracious means very polite. जिसमें चाल में पूरा grace हो, नजाकत ऐसी, smiling and full of joy. So that's why she became the great. She was the most beautiful, most gracious, elegant, and full of joy. All the men noticed her. All the people means all the men, rich men, officers, they were looking at her. They noticed her presence, and they asked her name. Everybody was coming to her, and everybody was asking her name, and wanted to be presented. Everybody wanted to introduce himself with her. सभी जन अपना introduction उसको दे रहे थे. You can see everybody is looking at her. Okay, so that's why it is said that she was the great success. Okay, then she danced with enthusiasm, and throughout the all the time the party lasted, जितना समय पार्टी चल रही थी, she danced with enthusiasm, उत्साह से, enthusiasm. Intoxicated means she was very overjoyed. Overjoyed means बहुत खुशी हो रही थी. With pleasure means happiness. She was intoxicated with, intoxicated का अर्थ होता है वैसे नशा, और यहाँ पे कौन सा नशा था उसका, वो पार्टी का. तो intoxicated with pleasure means happiness. Then thinking of nothing but of this admiration. See, there was no thought in her mind. दूसरा कोई विचार नहीं चल रहा था उसके मन में. But only of this admiration. Admiration means praise. Praise, praise मतलब प्रशंसा. जो लोग कर रहे थे उसके बारे में वो सोच रही थी कि I am looking very beautiful. Everybody is looking at me, and everybody wants to have introduction with me. Everybody wants my company. मेरे साथ ही डांस करना चाहता है. This kind of intoxication was in her mind. ऐसी नशा थी उसके मन में, and she was very very happy. This victory so complete and sweet to her. This victory मतलब ये जो विजय था, विन थी, it was so complete and so sweet to her heart. Means she was enjoying this attention given to her by other people. So this is what happened in the party. What happened? She was looking extremely beautiful. All the people, she was the most beautiful lady in the party. All the people, all the men particularly were looking at her. They wanted to present her to her, introduce her with them. They wanted her company. And then throughout the night, she danced with pleasure, with enthusiasm. She was intoxicated with pleasure, and there was only one thought in her mind, that she is looking very beautiful. All people are all people are all people want to become her friends. Everybody wants to dance with her, and that's why this is what she wanted to have in her life. ऐसी वो life जीना चाहती थी, और she was very happy. That's why by her heart, अपने मन में बहुत खुश थी. Next, then what happened? The party is over now. Party खत्म हो गई. She went home towards 4 o'clock. Now you see, till 4 o'clock she was enjoying the party. Morning 4 o'clock, 4 बजे तक. And when did she go home? 4 बजे. When the party was over at 4 o'clock, she went home towards 4 o'clock in the morning. Then where was her husband during this time when she was enjoying the party? Her husband had been half asleep in one of the little saloon. Saloon means small room. Since midnight. Midnight से 12 बजे से वो सो रहा था वहां पर. कहां पे? In one of the small rooms with 3 other gentlemen. और वैसे ही उसके साथ जैसे 3 और people थे, 3 और husbands थे, who were sleeping outside the hall. और hall के जहां पे पार्टी चल रही उसके बाहर सो रहे थे, in one of the small rooms. And with 3 other gentlemen whose wives, a wives जो है, wives is the plural form of wife, जिनकी बीवियां were enjoying themselves very much. Now you see, this husband, 3 husband and this हमारा Lysel, what he was doing? He was sleeping in saloon, small room with other friends. And where were their wives? They were enjoying the party. Then what happened? Arey, just wait. He threw around. जब वो बाहर, when she came out of the hall, जो hall से बाहर आई, निकली, Mrs. Lysel, Madam Matilda, what did he do? The husband, he means Lysel, threw around her shoulders the modest wrap. Wrap मतलब shawl. Modest means not costly, simple. Wrap means shawl. कहाँ पे डाला उसने? Around her shoulder. He was very caring husband. You can see another example. उसने उस पे shawl दिया उसको ओढ़ने के लिए, because it was very cold when she came out of the room. He threw around her shoulder the modest wrap they had carried they had carried that shawl from the home, अपने घर से लेकर आए थे और ये उसके पास ही थी husband के साथ, और वो लेके बैठा था in that saloon, in that small room. He was waiting for her, his wife to come out, and when as soon as he came out, he gave her the wraps, that shawl. He put that shawl around her shoulder, and that shawl or wraps you call poverty clashed with the elegance of the ball costume. Now poverty clash. What was the because what is this poverty? Garibi. किसकी गरीबी? That shawl की. The wraps जो था, it was very simple. It was very cheap. सस्ता था. And what kind of clothes she was wearing? She was wearing a very costly costume. Costume means clothes. So this poverty clash, उसका टकराव हो गया. रैप का, शॉल का और उसका एलिगेंस ऑफ द बॉल कॉस्ट्यूम जो थे वो सूट नहीं हो रहे थे, मैच नहीं हो रहे थे. कॉस्ट्यूम तो बड़े महंगे थे, लेकिन वो शॉल जो थी बड़ी गरीब दिख रही थी, पुअर दिख रही थी, सिंपल दिख रही थी. और उसके कारण क्या हुआ? She wished to hurry away in order not to be noticed by the other women who were wrapping themselves in rich furs. Now you see another example. How, what kind of lady she was? See, ये question last year पूछा था कि Matilda, why was she hurry in going away from the party? Why did she want not to be noticed by the rich lady? जो rich lady उसके बाद बाहर निकल रही थी, वो चाहती थी कि वो उसको ना देखे. क्यों? Why was she in a hurry? हरी में जल्दी में क्यों थी निकल जाने के वहां से पार्टी से? क्योंकि उसको पता था other women are wrapping themselves in a rich furs. Rich fur. फर क्या होता है? फर एक ऐसी शॉल होती है या फिर वार्म क्लोथ्स होते हैं जो एनिमल्स के फर से बनते हैं, जो वार्म होते हैं और कॉस्टली होते हैं. So naturally all the ladies who were present, they were having those rich furs, rich shawls उनके पास थी. और माटिल्डा के पास तो नहीं थी. उसने तो ड्रेस तो मैनेज कर लिया था, लेकिन अभी जब बाहर निकलेंगे ये लोग देखेंगे कि इसने जो शॉल पहनी है बड़ी चीप है, बड़ी सस्ती है. That's why she was in a hurry to go away in order so that not to be noticed by the other women, ताकि वो बाकी की लेडीज उसको ना देखे. Who were wrapping means covering themselves in rich furs. Furs मतलब वो शॉल जिनके पास बहुत सारी रिच फर्स थी. एक क्वेश्चन याद रखना इसको, आपको लास्ट ईयर आया था. नेक्स्ट, लॉयसेल जब जल्दी कर रही थी, लॉयसेल डिटेंडर में स्टॉप्ड है, उसको रोका लॉयसेल ने, बिकॉज ही डिड नॉट नो व्हाई शी वाज इन सच अ हरी. इतनी गड़बड़ क्यों कर रही उसको नहीं पता. देन ही आस्क्ड, वेट, सेड ही, पूछा, रुको, आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल अ कैब. कैब मींस कैरेज. कैरेज मतलब जो घोड़ा गाड़ी होती है. आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल अ कैब, मैं यहीं पे बुलाता हूँ. यू दे डोंट यू वेट हियर, यहाँ पे रुको, आई विल गो एंड ब्रिंग द कैब, कैब को लेके आता हूँ. बट शी वुड नॉट लिसन, लेकिन वो सुन ही नहीं रही थी उसको. एंड शी डिसेंडेड, DESCN, डिसेंडेड मींस गॉट डाउन. गॉट डाउन मींस नीचे उतरी. कहां से? द स्टेप्स में जो पायरियां थी. रैपिडली मींस वेरी क्विकली, वेरी फास्ट. शी डिड नॉट स्टॉप, शी डिड नॉट लिसन टू हर हस्बैंड. हस्बैंड वाज सेइंग, यू वेट, I will go bring the cab, but she did not stop. Then when they were in the street, then they came to the street. दूर आ गए वो पार्टी के हॉल से. They came to the street, रास्ते पे आए. They found no carriage because it was a morning in the 4 o'clock. So carriages were not available there, cabs were not available, and they began to seek. Seek means search. They began to search for one. They decided to search a cab so that they can go to their home. Hailing the coachman, hailing means calling. आवाज दे रहे थे. The coachman, गाड़ी वाले, whom they saw at a distance. दूर से उनको कोई, they were finding some coachman with their coaches and they were calling them loudly. Okay, this is what happened. Today, children, we will stop here because I want to go to the meeting. Meeting is there in the school. So I hope you enjoyed this. You also read this lesson yourself. Tomorrow again we will see the next part of our lesson. Is it clear? Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सभी बोलो बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will stop.
Yes,
We will
sir.
stop. Okay, beta. We will just leave now. Okay.